Welcome back to this quick 5-minute learning on how to use Google Classroom, brought to you by Lord Pleiades and powered by Pleiades Cluster. Continuation of part 1. In our last video, we added materials to topics or materials to topics, and I showed you how to add questions to topics, and I showed you how to add assignments. But I did not show you how to add questions to assignments. Like under the question here now, you have a question and the students can answer them directly in their platform, in the Google Classroom platform. But the assignments now, how do you add questions to assignments? Google Classroom gives you, or Google gives you the opportunity of attaching, or the option of attaching a Google form to your assignments. What are Google Forms? Google Forms are perfect. They are the most beautiful things. I think that it's the most beautiful thing Google has created to ease students' assignments or ease teachers in giving additional forms for surveys or for assignments. And you click on the attach link there. Yes, now using the mobile app, you cannot add the forms directly. You have to go and create the form in the browser and then attach the link to an assignment. So this is an assignment that we are working on. So we save that there and then we close Google Classroom. Open up a browser. Now I've opened up my Google browser. Where you need to go to is forms.google.com. Go. Now, if you're signed into your Google, it should open up a blank form for you. So I want to name this form. And now the first thing you should do, yes, the first thing you should do when you're creating an assignment or you've gone to the forms is to come down to the app menu there and go to settings. Now in the settings, the first thing you want to do is collect email addresses, because that is how you would know that these questions have been answered by your student, or what student is answering what question when they fill in the email address they have used in signing into their Google Classroom platform or joined your class on the Google Classroom platform. Now once you select once you go to the settings and tick on this option which says collect email addresses, then you save, it automatically adds this option up here, and you can see email addresses for your students to fill in their email addresses, which is compulsory for them. So now I want to create the form that would have the questions which your students will fill. I would fast forward this, and so you can see. Now you can see that after typing it in, I just came down here. Now after you finish typing in, you can select what you want your answers to be answered like, or what you want the answers to come in the form. In what form you want your answers to come in. Like this now you can select, want it to be paragraph, want it to be short answer, multiple choice, or a checkbox. I want it to be paragraph, because your students have different answers to the question, but you, the teacher, will have to go through it. And what did I just do? I just clicked on this. So this is the question we just added. Now I want to copy this so that I don't have to always create the same question, create new question. So what you just do is you click on this button down there, click on that button and duplicate the question. So I just duplicated this question. I can just change the text. So So that's that for now. I'll just have 7 questions here. I have 7 questions here, and I want to save that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions, and I want to save these questions now so I can upload it to title of the form is that review questions and is that scroll up and then you can send like that. Now, on that, once you want to save, click on this link and copy link and close it, and that's all. Go to Google Classroom. Yep. Go to your assignments, click on the menu button there and edit. Now under edit, you might click on that and click on link. Now you paste your link here, paste and add. Once you do that, you save it. And that's all. Once the student signs into the platform, they get to see the assignments. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll do a roundup on how to use Google Classroom, how to invite students to Google Classroom, and how to share your invitation on Meet. Thank you.